Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back. You know, I was sitting over there on my recently repaired reclining sofa having a nice cup of hot joe when I realized that I was choking on the foul air in the room, and I was like, wait, why isn't my filter taking care of that? Well, I came over and I checked, and I have a red light on the top of my Molekule. This is a Air Mini Plus. Needs a new filter. Changing that out is something that even I can do. Alright, so let's get started on this. First of all, you want to order yourself a new filter. I have links down below for genuine Molekule filters, and there are others out there, generic brands, so I put a link for one of those that seem to be reasonably highly rated. You can check that out if you want to go with the alternate brand. Now this one supposedly is one of the top ones, and it even takes viruses out of the air. That's what they claim anyway, so up to you which one you get, but get one and then we'll replace it. To replace, let's first of all take out the power, let's unplug it, and then you're going to open it by putting pressure down on the top, and then you're going to turn it counterclockwise, so a little bit to the left, just a little bit, and then it should lift right off and expose the dirty filter right here. You can see the dust build up. Now you could take a vacuum to this and maybe get a little bit extra life out of it. But we've already done that a couple times on this one, so we're just going to go ahead and replace. So here's my new filter, genuine Molekule. Pop that open real quick here. And we're just going to set that down. Take our top, it's going to drop down, and it's gonna kind of sink in there, so you're gonna lower it down carefully and then turn to the right until you more or less hear it snap into place. When you lift it, it should no longer come away. Plug it back in, and it should fire up on its own, and it does. And it even knows that it's a new filter. You can see the green filter light on there. It'll kick in and start to check the air quality and see if it needs to do anything, which it is doing, and hopefully the air will be clean enough here in a minute and it'll calm down. And that's it. Okay, that's all there is for today. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button, please subscribe. If you have any other ideas for videos, go ahead and send those ideas to things even I can do at gmail.com, and we'll try to knock those out in the future. Until next time, this has been Steve for things that even me, can do.